I'm going to show you the best TV streaming options in every price point. The first off I'm going to start up with is Pluto. Pluto is free, right? So I'm going to start with a free tier here first. So Pluto is free. You can see you can watch a lot of these channels here down below, and you can see there's a lot of options to be had. Of course, it'll have ads, but you'll probably have to expect that when it's free, right? So first off is Pluto. Now the next one I do recommend is called 2PTV, right? This is completely free, but of course it'll have ads on it as well. But you can see it's a pretty easy UI here. You can see you can watch any of these services if you'd like, or any of these channels if you like. So if I want to, for example, watch great games here, just tap on this. I'm just gonna tap on this. And you can see it'll load up the TV like here, and then I can watch it up top here. You can see, let's just wait for it to load. And then you can see, let's just say stay tuned because the game hasn't started, but it just works, right? Now, if you want something not free, if you want something more premium, you'll have to pay so you get a better services, but you want to pay for something not too expensive, so something budget, I do recommend something called Apple TV Plus. It's a pretty good service here, and you can see there's a lot of options you can do, a lot of shows, a lot of live TV you can get on as well. If you don't like Apple TV Plus, you can also get Peacock. Peacock, you can stream hit TV movies, TV and live sports and more, and it's a pretty generous price at around $8 per month, right? And if you want to spend a little bit more, so you want to spend on the mid-range, so spending something on the mid-range, you can pick on Netflix, right? This is a pretty popular option. It used to be so big back in the day, but right now a lot of other streaming services has dethroned it, but Netflix remains a pretty good solid options, right? It's unlimited movies, TV shows and more, and you can get it at only $8 per month. And again, it has a good reputation, but I think the options are pretty lacking now because most exclusive shows have migrated into their own streaming services. Now, if you want to pay something for premium, you want to pay a lot, and then you want to make sure you're getting a good service, I recommend two services. First off, it's called YouTube TV. YouTube TV is pretty expensive. You'll have to pay around $82 per month, but you can be sure you're gonna be getting all of the channels. If you don't want YouTube TV, you can also get Fubo TV here, right? Again, you can start for around $0, and then it has a pretty similar price point as YouTube TV is around $80 per month, right? So after this is what it looks like. So you can see $64 here, and then you can also get $54 here, right? And you can get over 450 channels available in your area, and then this is part of the more premium option, right? If you want something more valuable, then of course I do recommend YouTube TV. It's one of the best one out there. So pick your poison, basically.